Foreclosure signs that litter American lawns have been the only images of the U.S. housing crisis until this week, when thousands of homeowners lined 16th Street, 3 blocks from the White House, waiting for help to lower their mortgage rates. NACA, or the Neighborhood Assistance Corporation of America, is holding a 5-day event called Save the Dream of Homeownership to provide free counseling to anyone looking to restructure their burdensome mortgage. Tens of thousands have lined up since Sunday when NACA opened its doors, many of whom say they signed a loan they didn't understand and that they can no longer afford. Do you feel like you knew or were fully informed when you signed the loan?
No, I wasn't, because I was promised in 1 year I could refi, but that was a lie, because now of course, I had incurred some monies in trying to fix the house up, brand new system, putting a half bath in my home, so that was a debt. So now my debt to ratio is high, my income is low, can't afford it, and they refuse to do anything to help me.
Can the government do anything to help you?
The whole program would not help me, because the guidelines for the whole program are too stringent. Okay, therefore people, what my understanding is that people who are paying on time and, don't have any blemishes and stuff like that. Well, that's not the people out here. We're late on our mortgage. We need help, because we didn't ask for this. I asked, when I bought this house, I wanted to live in this house forever. This is my house I was going to die in, okay? But I can't do that now because I can't afford it. So I'm down here now to see if I can seek some resolve.
Many of the people standing in this line have been waiting for hours, and once they get inside, they'll join an orientation meeting that begins an educational process that NACA requires everyone to complete before they can receive one-on-one assistance. After orientation, attendees will enter this ballroom, where they'll meet with someone like Lisa Rosario, one of NACA's over 500 mortgage advisors.
These are individuals who have predatory loans. A predatory loan is a loan that will eventually become not your home anymore, because it's to benefit the bank, so it is predatory. When you went in for your 2-year fixed loan, you went in at a 6%, 5% interest rate with this income. So this income that you showed the bank proved that you can make this loan payment at 6%. Never did it say you can make this loan payment at 9%, at 10%, or at 12%. Therefore, the only individuals that were going to benefit from these loans were the investors. The loans were set up for failure. The government should have stepped in way before.
Lisa speaks from experience. Before coming to NACA, she was a self-described predatory lender and had worked for a number of banks, including Fremont Investment and Loans and IndyMac, before they both went under. Lisa didn't think there was any problem with the mortgages she was giving out until she fell victim to one herself.
Never did I think that it would lead to this at all. I don't think many people did. I don't think the people, sure there's a lot of malicious people in this industry. It was a very money-hungry industry. Did we expect it, the party to stop eventually? Yeah, and it did. And it did hard. And I lost my house.
Tell us what happened.
Well, I was on a 228. My payment went from $1,800 to $2,400 to $3,600 to $48 to $62. I could not refinance because I had a declining income. Why would I have a declining income? I was a lender in the mortgage industry.
Lisa believes that the main problem is a financial system that the vast majority of Americans don't understand.
The lack of knowledge that these people are entering into the largest purchase of their lives, and they're being told, sign here, sign here, sign here, sign here. That's where NACA comes in. NACA is all about the knowledge. And you have a 5-hour class before you even get reviewed.
During an orientation session, it became clear that few people here understand what they've gotten themselves into or how to get out.
How many of you know what restructuring means? How many of you know what refinancing is? That's fine. How many of you don't know what you're doing, which is probably how you ended up signing that back?
After NACA counselors create a comprehensive spreadsheet of a homeowner's finances, they send a restructuring proposal, along with the homeowner's scanned financial documents, to the lenders. Jacqueline Evans is an example of what happens if everything goes smoothly.
She stopped me in the hallway and told me she'd been waiting, and I had to go to the restroom, and I still have to go. That was an hour ago. And we just finished working with Chris Wheeler at Select Portfolio Servicing, and he was able to work with us on
He agreed?
Yeah, he did.
He knocked down her mortgage?
Yeah, 30%.
It's going to be more affordable for you?
Yes, it will be. Yes.
So now it comes through again, huh?
Come through again.
And wait, why did he agree? What makes the difference when you're negotiating something like this?
She did a lot of the legwork by getting him on the phone, and we had 2 phones working at a time. I'm talking to him on one phone with our connection, and she's talking to him.
Yeah.
But I think, knowing that we were here during this event and knowing that, the eyes were watching made him more, willing to work with us.